Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Jen Blaze and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this beautiful peachy pink purple neon look today. I have a little peach drawn right here. I think it looks really cute. And today's look is inspired by this peach blossom jade stone that I got on eBay the other day. And I think it's just such a beautiful color, but it's not the color of peach, so I wanted to add some peach color in there. So this is the peach blossom look. I'm using a lot of indie brands, including Be Perfect, Makeup a Murder, Give Me Glow Cosmetics, JD Glow Cosmetics, and a bunch of others. Let me know what you think and stay tuned for this beautiful look. I'm going to start going in with Blackberry and a small unnamed Morphe pencil brush. Looking interesting. Next I'm going to buff it out with an E36 brush and a purpley pink fusion of Broody and magenta. Now that that's on, I'm gonna darken up that purple again by going back in with Blackberry in the same brush and just blending them together a little bit more. Now that that is a lot more purple, going to use that same E36 brush and just magenta this time for a little more purple pink buffage. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a neon pigment. This is from Makeup a Murder, the Poison UV neon pigments, and it's just their pink one. Alright, using this Morphe M506, I'm going to buff that bright neon pink pigment onto the outer edge. Alright, time for a little more blendage. Going back in with the E36 and magenta, blend them together. Blended. In my monitor, this looks like a really harsh line, but in person, it's not. To make myself feel better, I'm gonna go in with this M152 in the shade Lilac and just give that a really soft border. Still looks like a really harsh line, but oh well. Now I'm going to take a Q-tip and some micellar water. I'm going to take away all that on the inside. I've seen people do this, but I've not yet done it myself. So far so good. I'm gonna now go in with the Norvina cake liners and I'm gonna use the orange. Spray it with a little water. And using a Morphe M224, I'm going to paint it on my lid. It's already orange because I was testing out this method on my hand. Okay, orange on. Now I'm going into another loose pigment. This is same company, Makeup a Murder. This is their Pastel Poison. This is their Pastel Poison neon pigments, and this is just a very pretty orangey peach shade. Using a JH42 brush by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. Alright, that beautiful pastel orange shade is on, and now I'm going in with another pastel shade. This is a very pale peachy pink. Here's the pinky red, here's the orange. They're different. And I'm using this Morphe M508 for the peachy peak. Alright, now I'm going in with this neon shade. It's a bright orange red, and I'm gonna put it on that outer part with a BH Cosmetics number 13 brush. Just another small packing brush. Now, so that they're not as harsh of lines, I'm going to just be using those pastel pigments all over that lid, smoothing things out. I'm not the biggest fan of how round that is, so I'm gonna make it go more on just my eyelid by going back in with that blackberry shade and the pencil brush. That looks better. This is going really well. A little different than I originally imagined it, but I'm not mad. Time for face. And now it's time to move on to the bottom lashes. I'm going to use the pencil brush that I've been using this whole video, and blackberry, and just line the very, very bottom of those lashes. And now for the pink neon pigment, I'm going to use a new brush. I'm going to use an M152 and just line that blackberry shade. Wow. I'm just looking at myself because in the monitor these lines are like so defined, but in the mirror behind my camera they're so well blended. I don't know which one to believe. I'm gonna do something risky. I'm gonna draw a peach right here because I think it'd be really cute. I'm gonna be using these from JD Glow Cosmetics. They're all pastel neon liners. I'm going to start with the orange. Now I'm going to tap over it with the peach colored shadow. Now I'm going to also use the reddish, pinkish colored shadow. Where did that? There it is. Just to give it some variation. Now I'm going to line it with the pinky light liner. And then do a little flick of green for a leaf. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Give Me Glow Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Halo, and I'm going to use a Morphe E22. And now for lips. I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics Kiss Me Sailor lip liner. And for lips, I'm going to use the Sugar Pill Liquid Lip in the shade Trinket. Alright, for gloss, I'm going to use this Melt Cosmetics gloss in the shade Johnny Rose. I'm going to put on liner and lashes and mascara and all that stuff, and I'll be right back. Here it is, the finished look. I am so happy with this look. It didn't start how I thought it was going to. The colors that I had in my mind were a little different than what turned out, but I'm really digging this neon peachy look. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Please let me know what else you want to see from me down in the comments below. Let me know also what you think of the video as well. Thank you to Lunar Angel Lashes for these beautiful lashes. These are the Base Babe lashes, and you can get them at a discount with my discount code. Use the code JenBlaze for 15% off on lunarangellashes.com. I'll see you all next time, and stay blazed.